All right, everybody, welcome to another edition of Bushcraft Out Back. Today we're going to do a little fire roll with some cotton and some wood ash and get our fire in. I made a failed attempt at trying to light some yucca, which I saw my buddy David West do a time or two. I didn't have a whole lot of success with it, but I'm not going to fail there. Not going to stop there. We'll go back to some wood ash. I'm not going to blow this all the way into flame because there is a burn ban on and the wind is howling even though I'm in the garage. Last thing I want to do is burn my garage down to explain why I was making a fire. We're going to roll this a few times, and then we're going to spin it around 180 degrees. Roll it again. Don't see smoke, keep going. We're close. Never go into the woods with a first aid kit that don't have cotton balls in it, because if all else fails, that cotton ball might get you out of a jam. Oh yeah, that's something I can work with. Okay, y'all, to the next video. Make sure you keep God first. Put this thing out before I burn something down.